In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the infinite loading screen on your Apex Legends game on your PC. Right, so first thing you can do is go to Steam. So right now we are on Steam and click on your library and then click on your Apex Legends, like right click and then click on manage. Actually, no, click on properties. And here you're gonna have like repair. So you just need to repair your Apex Legends. It's not installed right now for me because internet's very slow right now, so I can't do it. But for those who have been using Steam for years, like you know how to repair, meaning verify your game files. And once you've been verified, it's gonna fix whatever issue or missing files or corrupted files that you have for Apex. So after that, you could also try to look for updates, right? So Windows Update, and then just like check for updates. As you can see, we're up to date. So that's another thing you can do. Another thing you can do is try to repair your files on Origin. So to do this, follow the steps, which is go to your Origin library and then right click your Apex Legends game and then click on repair, as you can see here. And it's pretty much the same for Steam. It's gonna see whether or not there are files that it needs to be repaired. There are files that needs to be repaired or files that needs to be changed or downloaded or re-downloaded. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.